this video I'm going to teach you about the concept of modules in Python. First off, I'm going to make a new file, and in a basic sense what modules are any Python files that end in .py over here, like this is a module, that's a module, you could say. And I'm going to show you an example of importing one module into another. So I'm just gonna make another file called test, and I'm gonna just write print hello in it, and I'm gonna import test, and let's see what that does. First I'll save test, and now I'm going to run, and you can see in the console it's printed hello, because when I imported test, it runs whatever's inside test. But modules can be more complex than that. Python has quite a few modules built into it, and there are also other modules that you can install or by other methods that aren't included with Python. But in this video I'm going to show you the random module and what it can do, and I'm just gonna do that by writing import random, and I'll use an example of a function in the random module. So I'll just write random dot randint 1,10. So I'm accessing the randint function from the random module. That's why I write random dot randint, and what the randint function does, it picks a random integer in a range that you specify. Right now I've said that the function should pick a random integer between 1 and 10, and let's test that out. You can see it's picked 4, and if I just run it again, let's see, pick 6, you know. And instead of writing a random dot something something all the time, I can just write from random import star, and what this does, it basically imports everything from the random module so I can use it. So I don't have to write random dot randint anymore. I can just write randint and it will still work. I can also import specific functions as well, instead of just importing a few things. Like I can also write from random import randint. So from the random module, I'm only importing the randint function, and this is useful if you you're just importing a module, but you're only going to use one thing from that module. And just write print a random integer between 1 and 10. You can see it works like that. Simple. And that's going to be the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and bye.